Hello and welcome to Canvas Tips and Tricks for Students. My name is Kimberly Gregg and I am an LMS support and training specialist here at Tidewater Community College. For those of you who do not know, LMS stands for Learning Management System, and the learning management system we currently use here at TCC is in fact Canvas. So since many of you may already be aware of the basics of Canvas, today we are going to cover 10 tips and tricks you can use when working in Canvas in order to ensure the best possible student experience. So are you ready? Let's get started. Number 1. Use the best browser. Because it's built using web standards, Canvas only requires an operating system such as Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android that can run the latest compatible web browsers. For best performance, however, TCC Canvas support typically recommends Canvas be used on the most current release of Google Chrome and/or Firefox web browsers. It is recommended to have both of these installed on your computer. That way, if you run into issues with one, you can switch to the other. If you do not have Chrome or Firefox installed on your computer, you can do so by opening up any web browser and visiting http://www.google.com. From there, you can search, download Google Chrome, or download Firefox and locate the official download link for each browser. For a list of currently supported browsers for Canvas, visit community.canvaslms.com. Number 2. View all courses. Sometimes courses in Canvas may not automatically appear on your dashboard, leaving you to wonder where you can go to access your missing courses. In Canvas, you can find all of your courses by clicking on Courses, All Courses. There, you will see a list of all of the courses you are currently enrolled in or have been enrolled in at some point in time. Furthermore, if you have a course appearing under all courses that you wish to see appear on your dashboard, locate the course in the list and click the star next to it. The star icon is what tells Canvas the course is a favorite of yours and you would like to see it appear on your dashboard. Number 3. Set your notification preferences. The account notifications feature in Canvas allows you to set how often you would like to be notified of various course events and activities. You can choose to receive notifications right away, daily, weekly, or not at all. To set up these notifications, click on Account and then Notifications. From there, you will be able to hover over each course activity to learn more information regarding what you can be notified about and indicate when you would like to be notified about them. For example, every time a new announcement is posted in my course, I can choose whether I want to be notified immediately, daily, weekly, or not at all at my designated email address. Number 4. View the calendar. The Canvas calendar is a great way to view everything for all of your courses in one place. To access the calendar, click on the Calendar tab located on the Global Navigation menu. You can view calendar events by week, month, or in an agenda-style list. To show and hide course assignments and events, click on the color box associated with each calendar. Number 5. Backup text entry submissions. If your assignment text entry response is more than 1 or 2 sentences, we recommend composing it in a program such as Microsoft Word or Notepad first. This will ensure that you can save your work and have a backup in case anything happens to your network connection. When finished, you can copy and paste into the text entry box in Canvas. We do not recommend, however, copying and pasting images or tables. Rather, for these types of items, you will want to use the Insert feature on the toolbar. Number 6. Don't panic if you encounter a quiz issue. If you lose access to a quiz or exam while you're taking it, simply log out of Canvas and log back in again to try regaining access to your quiz or exam. Keep in mind, however, that if the quiz or exam is timed, the timer will continue to run while you try to get back in. If you are not able to get back into the quiz or exam within a few minutes, immediately email your instructor to let them know what's going on and that you need help getting back into the exam. They may need to eventually grant you an additional attempt to finish the quiz or exam you began. As a reference, always use a reliable high-speed internet connection when taking quizzes or exams in Canvas. Do not take tests on mobile devices such as phones or tablets. Navigate to other locations or applications in Canvas after the quiz opens. Use any of the browser navigation buttons, for example, back, forward, home, and so on, or click Submit until you have completed the quiz. In the event of an error message or other visible issue, consider taking a screenshot with your computer or a picture of your screen with your mobile phone and email it to your instructor and canvas@tcc.edu for further assistance. Number 7. Check out VCCS student resources. Did you know that links to several VCCS student resources can be found under the Help menu inside of Canvas? After selecting Help, click the link VCCS Student Resources. On this page, you will find a link to download the latest version of the Respondus Lockdown browser, as well as a link to access free Microsoft Office software available to all currently enrolled students. Furthermore, you can also check out the information regarding student discounts on Apple products placed through the Apple VCCS store. Number 8. Use Whatif Scores. View your grades based on Whatif Scores so that you know how your grades will be affected by upcoming or resubmitted assignments. To get started, in the course navigation, click the Grades link. If available, your current grade is displayed in the sidebar on the right side of the screen. Locate the assignment you would like to enter a Whatif score for and click the score cell. Enter a hypothetical score for the assignment. The grades page will then update the total score with the Whatif grade. To revert your Whatif score back to your actual score, click the Revert to Actual Score button. Number 9. Build a folio. Portfolium is a free digital portfolio tool for students and faculty to visually showcase academic and professional accomplishments. As a student, you can access Folio by logging into Canvas and clicking on Account, Folio. From there, you can get started creating a new project or view the Folio dashboard to edit existing projects, upload images, videos, documents, and more to your portfolio. You can also edit your profile by clicking on the Profile tab and adding accomplishments, resumes, clubs and affiliations, work experience, and even a personal bio. Additionally, you can connect with other students and faculty to maximize your folio experience. For more information and ideas on what you should add to your folio, visit community.canvaslms.com. Number 10. Download the Canvas mobile app. Access Canvas on your mobile device and stay current with your Canvas courses anywhere you go. And while mobile is a great way to stay connected to your courses, we do not recommend taking tests on mobile devices such as phones or tablets because not all quiz settings or question types may be compatible with the mobile device. If you can't access something in the mobile app, use a computer or try the internet browser on your phone instead. And that's it. Thank you for watching Canvas Tips and Tricks for Students. We hope you were able to take away at least one thing that will help to enhance your Canvas experience. You always have several options for getting help using Canvas. You can call us at 757-822-1470 or email us at canvas@tcc.edu. We also have a web help form if you prefer to contact us that way. Also remember that you can always click on the Help option located at the bottom of the global navigation menu inside of Canvas and find student-specific help options such as links to Canvas help guides or options to contact Canvas directly for assistance. Have a great semester and let us know if you need anything.